Hello students. So chapter number 7 of class 7 is going on and we discussed about the angle sum property, about parallel lines and vertically opposite angles. So today we will discuss about new point and one theorem related to this topic I will prove. What is the statement? The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So we have to prove this theorem. So first of all, I would like to explain what is exterior angles. What is the statement? Prove that the sum of interior prove that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Students, try to understand. Once again, I am repeating the statement. Prove that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So, what is exterior angle? This is triangle ABC. Now, this concept I would like to explain. ABC is a triangle. If one side of a triangle is extended, so this side is extended to point D. If one side is extended, the angles formed by the extended side is this one. It means ACD. So this is exterior angles. What is exterior angles? The angle formed by the extended side of a triangle is called exterior angle. BC is extended to point D. Now angle formed by this extended side is ACD. So this is exterior angle. So this is exterior angles. And the sum of interior opposite angles. Note this adjacent angles, these angles. So we have to prove angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B. So what is given? Given a triangle ABC, given a triangle ABC in which side BC is extended, side BC is extended to point D. We have to prove angle ACD is equal to angle CAB plus angle ABC. Now I will change their name. This is angle 1, this is angle 2, and this is angle 3. So we have to prove this one. Angle 1, 2, and 3. Now proof. Angle 3. So I will write this name angle 4. For this proof, angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. Say equation 1, and this is linear pair. Because two adjacent angles are there and their measure is 180, so we can say linear pair. and angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. So the sum of the angles of a triangle, sum of the angles of a triangle, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. So the measures of angle 1 plus angle 4 also 180 and angle 2 plus angle 3 plus 4 also 180. So equals to the same. Their measure is 180. Their measure also 180. Both are equal. So equals to the same. So this is equal to this one. This is equal to this one. Two equal things are equal to the same. It means angle 1 plus angle 4 will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. So from 1 and 2 we got. From 1 and 2 we get angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. The measure of angle 1 and 4 also 180 and the measure of these three angles also 180. Now 4 is this side and 4 is that side also. When I will change the side, it will be in minus, so we can cut like this also direct. Angle 4 cancel to angle 4. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 1 means ACD. So right here angle ACD. Angle 2 means angle CAB, or you can say BAC, no problem. So CAB plus angle 3 means ABC. So this is the theorem. And what is the main point? This exterior angle always will be equal to the sum of interior opposite angle excepting this one. So in opposite interior 2 and 3. So this was the theorem, and exercise 7.2 is related to this exercise. Now I will try to solve question related to this theorem. In the following figure, question number first, the values of x and y are respectively. So we have to find the values of x and y. What is the given figure? Figure is like this. This angle is x degree. This is 80 degree. This is 120 degree, and this is y. So we have to find the measure of angle x and angle y. So this is a straight angle. So first find the measure of this one. 180 minus 120. So this will be 60 degree. This will be 60 degree because straight angle. So angle ACB, solution, angle ACB plus angle, give their name, here is A, here is B, here is C, and this point is Y, this point is Y. So angle ACB plus angle ACY is equal to 180 degree. Angle ACY is not given, so we have to ACY is given, ACB is not given. ACY is 120 is equal to 180, so ACB will be equal to 180 minus 120, so ACB will be equal to 60 degree. So the measure of this angle is 60 degree. Now in triangle, In triangle ACB, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is given 80 degree. Angle B is not given. By angle C is 60 degree is equal to 180. So 80 and 60, 140 plus y is equal to 180. So y will be 180 minus 140. Y will be 40 degree. So y is 40 degree. So we got the measure of angle y also. Now this is straight angle. The measure of this angle is 80. So it will be 100. And angle x plus 80. Angle x plus 80 will be equal to 180 because this is straight angle or linear pair you can say. Angle x will be equal to 180 minus 80. So angle x will be 100 degree. So this is the measure of this angle. So friends, I hope you have understood and try to solve the problems and watch the videos. And if any doubt is there, so in next video I will explain your doubts. Thank you. Thank you.